again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So as you can see in today's video, I've had a little package from Btartbox turn up. So this is the Btartbox pre-coloured X-coat tips, and they're a 3-in-1 soft gel system. Fantastic quality tips. I say it every time I use them, and I have got some new tips. These are new to the website. I have got a discount code for the Btartbox website. I'm loving this new packaging. These are very fancy pants. Wow. So I'm going to take a quick look at what they've sent, and we will put some of these nails on. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to go for today. So first we will take a look at what's in this box. So this is the French Protecting Duo. So this is your builder gel and your top coat. Oh, it's got the nail lamp in there as well. Right, okay. Let's have a quick look at the lamp. So this is your little flash cure lamp. I wouldn't fully cure. I wouldn't just use this. I would use this as a flash cure lamp and then fully cure them in a bigger, more powerful lamp. I mean, you can try and fully cure in this lamp. I'm not sure how that would go, but yeah, it is a good quality lamp. It's got 6 bulbs. And it's got the little rubber things on the bottom to stop it sliding about. And we've got your little button there. So it's USB Type C. Lovely. So I'll just put that to the side a minute. Right, so then in the box we have got number 1, which is your builder gel. So this is not what you use to apply the nails. The builder gel is what you use once you've applied them to seal that French colour and that French tip in. That's what number 1's for. And number 2 is your top coat. Guys, this is a fantastic top coat. It stays glossy for days. I really, really like it. So we've got that. Right, so next we have got their solid gel glue. So this is what you use to apply the nails. Last time I used Btartbox tips, I used this. This is their gel glue. So you can use the gel glue in a bottle. This is a good size as well, 15mm. This is quite thick. My room is really, really warm today, so it's a little bit thinner than what it is at room temperature. But it is a nice thick gel. I do prefer thicker gels when I'm doing Gel X, but yeah, you can get this one in the bottle, which is a thinner glue, or you can get this one. This is the solid gel glue in a tube. I don't know how I'm going to show you this. We'll do it on a pink one. It might show up a bit better. Bear in mind, my room is really hot today, so it would be thicker. Can you see? This is quite solid. It holds its shape. Can you see? It kind of holds its shape. It doesn't drip or move anywhere. So I can't wait to try that. That's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use this one today. So let's have a look at the tips. Right, let's go for these ones first, because these look so cute. Not my usual kind of tips as in length. These are really, really short, but there's 5 different colours in here. So let's have a look. I'm not sure what these... Right, so these are short almond. So these are brand new to the website. Right, let's have a look at these. Oh, look at this blue colour. Oh, ooh, these are going to be beautiful for summer. Oh, I've definitely got to get some of these in the long ones. I don't think they had them. When I first got these, this was the only shape they had them in. If they've got any different shapes or lengths, I'll stick them up on the screen. Oh, wow, look at this blue. This is beautiful. So it's like a neon kind of set, isn't it? Oh, right. Oh, these are fantastic. You just can't beat the quality of them. I know there's a lot of copies out there and a lot that are very similar. I've had some recently myself, but I can't deny the quality of these tips. They are fantastic. Right, so you get sizes 0 to 13. Sizes 0 to 13. So you've got 14 different sizes there. Wow. These are cute. They're really, really short. Look at this. They're so short. Right, let's get on with it, Aggie. Come on. Right, so we've got them blue ones. We've got these bright, bright orange ones. Wow, look at these. Then we've got bright, bright pink. Oh, wow. They are bright, bright pink. Look at them. Then we've got like a... It's one of them yellowy green kind of neons, isn't it? It's not quite yellow. It's not quite green. These are adorable. I love them. And then we've got purple, or more like a lilac. Oh, I love these. So let's just put them away quickly and have a look at these other ones. Love this packaging as well. These are nice. These are all different colours as well. So this is like a set of nude. Right, so look at these. These are more my kind of length. Right, so again we've got 5 colours. Look at this. So I think these are the same base colour nude, because you can get pink, white and nude, I think, as the base colour. I think both of these base colours are nude. Right, so the tip of these ones is like a peachy kind of nude, isn't it? These are very pretty. And then the next one is more of a like beige kind of nude. Can you see they're slightly different? Oh gosh, they look identical on camera, but I can assure you they're not. This one's more like a peachy nude and this one's more of a cream nude. Yeah, I've not sorted my lighting out yet, guys. My new setup, so they are different. Oh, they are different, I can assure you. Right, and then next, oh gosh, these are like a brown. I love the deep French. They're just really bang on trend, aren't they? With the deep smile line, and rather than it being like short and more rounded, they're just really, really kind of modern and on trend, aren't they? I love that. Right, and then this one is like this one's like a nude pink. Very cute. I think this one's my favourite. And then this one again is a brown, but it's a really, really pale brown. Oh, I really, really like this one. I really like this one. 5 different kind of nudes. I really like that one. Right, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, guys, so I'll have a quick think and I'll be back. So, shockingly, I went with the short nails just because they're so bright, bold, vibrant, right up my street, and I couldn't decide which colour to go with, so I thought there's 5 different colours. I've got 5 nails. I'm going to use all of them. So I decided to put a different colour on each nail. And I don't know if I've said this, but the thumbs are quite big. They're a decent size. They fit my thumb, and I do struggle with my thumbs. They're not the biggest, don't get me wrong, but they're not the smallest either. And guys, I didn't mention, I only just noticed, we go from sizes 0 to 3, but when you get to 3, we've got a 3, then a 3X, then we've got a 4 and a 4X, which I think is like a 3 and a 3.5, and then a 4 and a 4.5. I think because they're kind of on average the most popular sizes. There's half sizes, which I didn't know. Right, so I've got all my tips sized up. Quick bit of nail prep. I'm just going to quickly push my cuticles back and scrape away any dead skin. I did do a lot of this off camera because I haven't had any nails on for nearly 3 weeks. They were a mess, so a lot of this was done off camera. So I've pushed my cuticles back and I've got rid of any dead skin, and then I'm going to use a buffer and buff all the shine off my natural nails. Right, so I'm just quickly giving my nails a coat of dehydrator. I haven't got a Btartbox dehydrator and primer. However, I think they do sell a primer. I'm not sure about a dehydrator, but I do know they have got a tip primer. Right, and then I'm just going in with base coat. You can use the Btartbox glue gel as a base coat, but as I like to use a peel off base coat, because obviously I create content, these need to come straight off, I am using a peel off. But you can use the glue gel, and I would cure that in the lamp probably for 60 seconds. Right, so let's get started with this application. So I'm using the solid glue gel, starting with my pinky. Just going to put a little blob in the cuticle area like that, just like you would do with the glue out the bottle. Can you see it's quite thick? It doesn't move anywhere. I really like that. I do prefer the thicker kind of glue gels for Gel-X method. So I'm just going to press it down at my cuticle like that and spread that glue up the nail until it's completely covered my natural nail. And then I'm just going to stick it in the lamp. I'm just going to give them all a quick flash cure in the Btartbox mini lamp. I was just showing you there, some heat comes out of that little mini lamp, you know. How cute is that? I'm really not used to this kind of length, but I thought that looked so cute. Right, so onto the ring finger now. Again, just going to put a little blob in the cuticle area of that nail tip. Turn my lamp on so it's ready. And then again, I'm just going to press it down. I don't know what I was doing there. Oh, I was showing you there's nothing to hold on to. I really struggled applying these because you've got to hold the tip down. They're so short, there's nothing to hold on to hold them down. So I really struggled. How cute are they? I've still got these on, guys. It's been 2 days and I've still got them on. And I really like them. I don't want to take them off. Right, so I'm just going to show you applying one more, and I'll do the pointer and the thumb off camera. So again, glue in the cuticle area, press it down, make sure your lamp's switched on ready, press it down at that cuticle area and spread that glue till it's covered your natural nail, and quick flash cure. So once I've got all these applied, they're going to go in my big lamp for a full 60 seconds cure then. Right, so that's them all on. Aren't they cute? I love the colours. I actually love the length. They're an everyday wear kind of length, aren't they? I like the shape as well. Really, really cute and perfect going into spring and summer. So I'm just going to use a file. I'm just going to file them little tabs that are on the tips where they were attached to the frame kind of thing. Really, really gently file them. You don't want to file any of that colour off. Right, so I've pulled out some gel paints. I've pulled out a blue to match the blue, and then I've pulled out a purple. It was a little bit dark, so I did end up adding a little bit of white to that purple, and then I had a perfect pink, a perfect orange, and I should have just left it. That was a perfect match, but I decided it wasn't a perfect match, and I ended up mixing a little bit of the colour that was perfect to start with. I ended up mixing it with a bit of green, but it made it even more perfect in the long run. So I'm just gonna, I didn't want to do too much to these because I think they're just beautiful as they are, and because every nail's a different colour. Yeah, I felt like they really didn't need much. I don't even think they needed what I did to them, but they looked very pretty in the end. Right, so I've added a little bit of white to that purple just to lighten it a little bit. And I'm just going to show you probably 1 or 2 nails, because every nail's going to be the same. I didn't want to do too much to them because, oh look, I've already done 2 there. So I'm just going to show you this one, I think. So I'm just using a dotting tool, and I'm just doing 3 dots kind of up in the top left corner of that nail, not too close to my cuticle. And then using a really, really little skinny brush, I'm going to start with the middle of them dots. And we're going to kind of create like a point, like a triangle or kind of teardrop. So I've slowed this right down and start with that dot, just pull it straight into. I've made a little marker just so I know exactly where the middle is. So just pull down the middle, and then I'm just kind of pulling down each side like that, just creating a little teardrop. So pull straight down the middle of that dot, and then outside on the left and outside on the right. Super easy way to do a kind of half a flower, or if you wanted to do a full flower, do it in the middle of the nail and do a full circle of the dots. So I'll just let you watch, guys. I'm going to do exactly the same now, except we're going to be pulling outwards from the dots. Yeah, I'll just let you watch. Exactly the same, but we're going to be pulling outwards. I'll speed this bit up as well. And guys, in case I didn't mention, I am using my left hand, so that is why I am looking a bit awkward and I keep moving position a lot, because I'm using my non-dominant hand. Right, so that's a different colour flower done on every single nail. I'm going to use the builder gel now, which is number 1, and I'm just going to do a nice thin coat of the builder gel, and this is going to seal in my design. It's going to seal in that coloured French as well. It's going to add strength, and I'm also capping. You can just cap with the top coat, but just for extra protection on that coloured French tip, I am capping the edges using the builder gel as well. So I'm just going to do that on all the nails, and then that's going to get cured in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with the Btartbox top coat, cure that for 30 seconds, and that will be this set finished. Super simple, super quick. And these tips, once you've done a layer of the builder gel and the top coat, they feel and look like you're wearing acrylic or hard gel. They really do. I'm in love with these tips. The length, the colour, the shape. I am not usually a fan of short nails. I like them to be at least kind of medium to long, but I'm not mad at these. I like them, and I will probably wear them again. Yeah, even the shape, I'm not a stiletto or an almond fan, but I like them. They've grown on me over the last 2 days that I've had them on. Anyway, I'll let you watch this top coat, guys, and I'll be back in a sec. And just to remind you to cap your free edge using your top coat as well. You will see me completely sealing that coloured French tip in with the top coat. It's so important that you do this, because the coloured French tip will just chip or peel off if you don't completely seal it in and cap them free edges. So there we go, guys, that is then finished. So simple but so bright and cute, and they are bang on for going into spring and summer, aren't they? I think Frenchies like this are going to be massive this year. I really do. Well, Frenchies like this, they're always massive in summer, aren't they? Look at them colours. I'm looking at these in matte as well, and I'm thinking, I think mine would have looked so much better in matte. But I can do a matte next time. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'm not sure if it is a discount code I've got, or if it is my link that automatically gives you the discount. If there's no discount in my description box, then it will be my link that will automatically give you the discount. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.